Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon EKS, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. AWS EKS stands for Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. It is a managed service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, for deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications using Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration platform that allows you to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It provides a way to run and manage containers across multiple servers, abstracting away the underlying infrastructure complexities. AWS EKS simplifies the process of running Kubernetes on AWS by managing the Kubernetes control plane for you. The control plane is responsible for managing and coordinating the Kubernetes cluster, including tasks such as scheduling, scaling, and maintaining application availability. With AWS EKS, you can focus on deploying and managing your containerized applications without worrying about the underlying Kubernetes infrastructure. Some key features and benefits of AWS EKS include 1. Security. EKS provides built-in security features, including encryption at rest and in transit, network isolation, and integration for fine-grained access control. 2. Monitoring and logging. AWS EKS integrates with services like Amazon CloudWatch and AWS CloudTrail, enabling you to monitor and log your Kubernetes applications and infrastructure. 3. Automated updates and patches. EKS simplifies the process of keeping your Kubernetes cluster up to date by automatically applying updates and patches to the control plane. 4. Managed Kubernetes control plane. AWS EKS takes care of managing the Kubernetes control plane for you. This includes tasks such as provisioning, scaling, and upgrading the control plane components. It eliminates the need for you to manage the underlying Kubernetes infrastructure, allowing you to focus on deploying and managing your applications. 5. Scalability and high availability. EKS allows you to easily scale your Kubernetes applications by adding or removing worker nodes based on demand. It ensures high availability of your applications by distributing them across multiple availability zones within a region. EKS automatically detects and replaces unhealthy nodes to maintain the desired level of availability. 6. Integration with AWS services. EKS seamlessly integrates with various AWS services, providing you with a wide range of options to enhance your application capabilities. You can leverage services like Amazon RDS for managed databases, Amazon S3 for object storage, AWS INC for access control, and many more. This integration simplifies the development and deployment of complex applications. 7. Security and compliance. EKS offers robust security features to protect your applications and data. It provides encryption at rest and in transit, allowing you to secure sensitive data. EKS also integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, INC, enabling you to apply fine-grained access control policies to your Kubernetes resources. Additionally, EKS is compliant with various industry standards, such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and ISO 27001, making it suitable for regulated workloads. 8. Monitoring and observability. AWS EKS integrates with Amazon CloudWatch, which enables you to monitor the health, performance, and resource utilization of your Kubernetes applications. You can set up alarms, create custom dashboards, and gain insights into your application metrics. EKS also integrates with AWS CloudTrail, allowing you to track and audit API activity within your cluster. 9. Automation and DevOps tools. EKS works seamlessly with AWS CloudFormation and AWS Elastic Beanstalk, allowing you to automate the deployment and management of your Kubernetes applications. You can use popular DevOps tools like AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Commit, and AWS Code Build to create continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines for your EKS-based applications. 10. Ecosystem and community support. Kubernetes is a widely adopted open-source platform with a large and active community. By using EKS, you can benefit from the vibrant Kubernetes ecosystem and take advantage of the numerous tools, libraries, and frameworks available. You can also find extensive documentation, tutorials, and community support to assist you in your Kubernetes journey. AWS EKS, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, is a versatile platform that can be used for a wide range of use cases involving containerized applications. Here are some common use cases for AWS EKS. 1. Microservices architecture. EKS is well suited for deploying microservices-based architectures. You can break down your application into smaller, loosely coupled services, and run each service as a container within the EKS cluster. EKS enables you to manage and scale these services independently, making it easier to develop, deploy, and update your microservices-based applications. 2. Web application hosting. EKS provides a reliable and scalable platform for hosting web applications. You can containerize your web application components, such as front-end, back-end, and databases, and deploy them as separate containers within the EKS cluster. EKS handles the scaling, load balancing, and high availability aspects, ensuring your web application can handle traffic spikes and maintain uptime. 3. Continuous integration and continuous deployment. CI/CD. EKS integrates well with CI/CD tools and services, making it an ideal platform for implementing automated deployment pipelines. You can leverage tools like AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Build, and AWS Code Commit to create CI/CD workflows that automatically build, test, and deploy your containerized applications on the EKS cluster. This helps streamline your software delivery process and ensures rapid and consistent deployments. 4. Machine learning workloads. EKS provides a scalable and flexible infrastructure for running machine learning, milliliter, workloads. You can containerize your milliliter models, algorithms, and data processing components and deploy them on an EKS cluster. EKS integrates with other AWS services like Amazon S3 for data storage, Amazon ECR for container image registry, and AWS INC for access control, enabling you to build end-to-end milliliter pipelines using Kubernetes. 5. Batch processing and data pipelines. EKS can be utilized for running batch processing workloads and data pipelines. You can containerize your data processing jobs, such as ETL, extract, transform, load, processes or data analytics tasks, and run them on an EKS cluster. EKS provides the necessary scalability and resource management capabilities to handle large-scale data processing and orchestration tasks. 6. Gaming backend and real-time applications. EKS can power the backend infrastructure for gaming applications and real-time applications that require high scalability and responsiveness. By deploying the game logic and real-time processing components as containers on EKS, you can efficiently scale the infrastructure based on the number of players or incoming events. EKS provides the necessary capabilities to handle the dynamic nature of these applications. 7. Hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. EKS supports hybrid and multi-cloud deployments, allowing you to run your Kubernetes applications across on-premises and multiple cloud environments. You can use EKS alongside other AWS services like AWS Outposts or AWS Direct Connect to extend your on-premises infrastructure to the cloud, or you can use EKS to deploy and manage applications across multiple cloud providers for redundancy or specific workload requirements. These are just a few examples of the many possible use cases for AWS EKS. Its flexibility, scalability, and integration with other AWS services make it a powerful platform for running containerized applications in various scenarios. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.